Importante pa rin yung ego need to sleep. Yeah.
Why, coach?
Culturescape is I work for you. Awakening, I work for me. Reconditioning, now I know who I am as God's creation. He works through me.
Yan. Ganda.
Pero willing ka bang makinig sa instruction niya? Kasi pag nagme-meditate ka, grabing intuition mo.
Yes.
So if you notice, all my works, no plan, but it comes out more than perfect. True or true?
True.
Ask me why.
Why?
He works through me. But how can I allow him to work through me if I don't even take time to sit down, be quiet, and listen to his instruction? Because when you listen to instruction, your intuition is at a high level 10.
Correct.
10x. 10x.
You're actually operating through him. Kasi pagkatapos mo, marami siyang instruction, aksyonan mo na kagad. Ang tawag dyan, inspired action.
Itinulog.
Itinulog. Nawala.